Did you know that the fastest airplane in the world can travel at speeds over 3 times the speed of sound? It's mind-blowing to think about how far aviation technology has come. What really defines the fastest airplane? Let's dive into the world of speed and see what's flying at the top. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about speed in aviation, an electrifying topic that brings together cutting-edge technology and the thrill of flight. Fast airplanes not only push the limits of what's possible but also represent years of engineering innovation. So buckle up, as we explore the fastest airplanes currently zooming through the skies. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Designing airplanes that can reach such incredible speeds is no walk in the park. Engineers face multiple challenges, like ensuring safety while pushing the boundaries of performance. Imagine trying to create a machine that can withstand intense aerodynamic forces and extreme temperatures. They have to consider materials that can resist heat and stress without compromising safety. And then there's fuel efficiency. The faster you go, the more fuel you burn, which is a significant concern in today's eco-conscious world. Engineers must strike a balance between speed and sustainability, finding ways to make these incredible machines not just fast, but also efficient. Can you imagine the pressure they're under? Balancing all these factors while trying to build the next speed demon in the sky. Exploration/development. Alright, let's get into some of the fastest airplanes out there right now. First up, we have the legendary Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird, which held the record for the fastest air-breathing manned aircraft. This beauty can reach speeds of over 2,200 miles per hour. It was designed for reconnaissance missions and could fly so high and fast that it was nearly impossible to intercept. Next, we have the North American X-51, a rocket-powered aircraft that could reach an astonishing speed of 4,520 miles per hour. That's over 6 times the speed of sound. Although it was primarily used for research and testing in the 1960s, its legacy lives on in today's aerospace advancements. And don't forget about commercial aviation. The Boeing 747-8 is currently the fastest commercial airplane, cruising at speeds around 569 miles per hour. It's a giant in the sky but also shows how far commercial aviation has come since the days of slower jets. Climax/key moment. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the current title holder of the fastest airplane in the world. That honor goes to the North American X-51, which, as I mentioned earlier, hit a record-breaking speed of 4,520 miles per hour. This aircraft wasn't just fast, it was a game-changer for aviation and space exploration. During its missions, it flew to the edge of space and provided crucial data that has influenced modern aerospace designs. It's not just a plane, it's a piece of history that paved the way for everything from space shuttles to modern fighter jets. The X-51 showcases what happens when innovation meets ambition. Conclusion/summary. So, there you have it. We've taken a whirlwind tour of some of the fastest airplanes currently flying. From the sleek SR-71 Blackbird to the record-breaking X-51, these machines represent the pinnacle of engineering and the relentless pursuit of speed in aviation. Their significance is not just in their speed, but also in how they've shaped the future of flight. Call to action, CTA. Now it's your turn. Which airplane fascinated you the most? Was it the Blackbird's stealthy speed or the X-51's groundbreaking records? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our other aviation-related content for more thrilling insights into the world of flight. Catch you in the next one.